We got Yo Mikey. He writes, so my GP's hull got messed up in the last race. I'm thinking of spending the money and redoing the bottom and gel coat. What are your thoughts?
Absolutely not. Gel coat doesn't flex. Then nano hull wants to flex, so your gel coat's just going to crack.
Right.
Unless you know of anything that could help the gel coat flex.
Well, my experience with Flex Additives
and
is
gel coat
for paint.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, you look at offshore race boats and they're covered in gel coat, but
right,
they're not flexing like Nano is.
Thick fiberglass is what they're made out of.
Right.
These are solid boats.
Or carbon fiber, and that's not flexing either.
Right.
So, because it's Nano, I would go back. I hate to say it. I would find a painter and say, listen, man, I want you to paint this with the same Flex Additive paint that you would paint the rubber front fascia of a Fox body Mustang. And make this stuff spongy and flexible and paint and have them paint it with that. Gel coat's more durable, and I would give you, I'll give you credit for going with gel coat for durability. But again, exactly what Greg said, it's not going to flex and it's going to crack and it won't adhere. And I kind of want to say go back with paint. Just put 5 layers of paint on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.